y'all.
Hey all! Mandy here again. It's Motivational Monday. Motivational Monday. Motivational Monday. Motivational Monday. Yeah! This Monday, be selfless, people. Yeah, that's right. Be selfless. So easy to go about your life just worrying about one person. Yeah, yourself. But people, there's something to say about being selfless. Especially when it comes to your friends and to your family. Reap what you sow. Be selfless. If you're selfless, people will be selfless with you. People are going to notice that. And honestly, it's going to make your world a better place. Even if it's just inviting a friend over for dinner. Or going out to dinner and buying your friend dinner. Not expecting dinner in return, just doing it because it makes somebody feel good. It's really nice and it promotes everyone being selfless. It promotes it, people. Yeah, because that's what Motivational Monday is all about. Starting your week off strong. Yeah! And tune back in for more from the world of Corey